Oke, assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam.
Alhamdulillah, wassalamu ala rasulillah wa ala alihi washabihi jamaat. Okay, guys, so today we want to do a podcast with my friend. Podcast talk show. There is Najib, Ismail, me and Nopal, and me from 11 Day Cafe, and I didn't boarding school. Okay, the title the podcast is Boarding Life is My Life Lesson, and we start from me. I will ask one by one from Najib and Nopal. Okay, Najib, what the are you boarding in SMP? In SMP, are you boarding school or just PP? Yeah, do you study in boarding school or like PP or pulang pergi?
Swasta school. I never boarding school ya. I never boarding school.
So you boarding in SMK?
Yes.
Okay. What name is your SMP school?
SMP Nurul Itisam School.
Location in where?
Location in Bekasi.
In Bekasi.
Yes.
Okay. So you start your boarding school in SMK, right?
Yes, right.
Okay. In SMK, what the biggest challenge in your boarding life?
In my life.
Yes, in boarding life.
The challenge in boarding my life, that is mentality, and challenge another about your life, about my life. Yes, nothing no ya. Di in we all.
Oh, okay. Why you solve that problem in your boarding life?
Yes, I have problem in first time in boarding school ya. I have that is about bullying ya. First time ya.
Oh my god.
Okay.
About bullying lah first time. Yes,
Okay.
I a little bullying ya in first time in boarding school ya. Tapi just now I nothing for the bullying in this ya.
Okay, alhamdulillah.
Nothing, alhamdulillah.
Okay, Najib, what the best your experience in boarding your life boarding?
Yes,
What
for
your
the
boarding life?
experience about that is about Edures ya. Edures.
In Semester 1. Semester 1.
Yes, semester 1. One semester.
Yes, in semester 1.
In 10 grade ya.
Yes.
Yes.
Which moment the best in
Yes.
Edures?
Yes, we have money. We search money and we buy and sell. Yeah, and sell product. Yeah. For example, feed mineral water and another buy and sell product.
Okay. After graduate, you want to boarding again or no? Or just PP school or boarding again?
Yeah, I think PP school.
PP school.
Yes.
Okay. Thank you, Najib.
Okay.
Okay. We next to the next narasumber. There is Ismail. Okay, Ismail. How are you today?
Good.
Okay, good. I will ask you the first question in. Okay. Bentar, pause. Okay. Ismail, in when you junior high school, are you boarding school or Just PP.
Boarding school.
Boarding school.
Boarding school.
Boarding school. Okay, boarding school. Oh yeah, public school or public school or or public school.
Boarding school.
Boarding school.
Boarding school.
What name of your school?
Madrasah Al-Fatih.
Madrasah Al-Fatih.
Ya.
In where? Cibubur or
In Situ Daun. Puncak.
Situ Daun? Okay. In senior high school, so you boarding school start from senior high school, 10th grade. Okay. What the biggest? Okay. The next question is what the biggest challenge in your boarding school life?
In junior or senior?
Senior.
My biggest challenge.
Yes, biggest challenge in your boarding life.
Of the challenge. Hey,
Um, my biggest challenge is
I get punished.
uh,
I get punished.
I I get punished when late to the mosque
Okay. In your prayer or other prayer?
in every prayer.
Every prayer. Okay. Best student eh.
Yes.
And how you solve that biggest challenge?
Run.
Run. Okay. The next question is, do you have best experience in your boarding life?
Yes.
Okay. What your best experience?
My best experience is Living dong.
Oh iya.
Living. My best experience is joining Edures in 10th grade.
Okay.
Yes.
Which moment? The best.
I think the best is we travel with our friends for a couple hour, and then also riding boat and also sell stuff to other person.
Yeah. Okay. Okay, Ismail, thank you very much for today. Okay, the next narasumber is Nopal.
Okay.
Nopal, how are you today, Bal?
Alhamdulillah fine.
Alhamdulillah.
Yes.
Okay. You have
What?
feel boarding life?
Feel bored.
Ngerasain boarding school? Ngerasain boarding school?
I have a boarding school.
In
What?
start from junior high school or senior high school?
Junior.
Junior high school. In where?
No.
In senior
Senior.
high school. What name your school?
In senior.
In SMK.
Eden boarding school.
Eden boarding school.
Eden boarding school.
In where? Jonggol or in where?
Jonggol.
In Jonggol. Okay. Do you have problem in your boarding life? Your boarding life you have problem?
I have many little problem sih.
Little problem.
Little problem.
What problem?
The problem. the problem is
Problem.
the problem. The problem.
In 11th grade the problem.
10th grade.
In 10th grade.
10th grade.
What problem? In dorm or in school? In project or in Tafis maybe?
In Tafis maybe.
Tafis. What your problem?
The problem is in Tafis there is sketsa or target for 10th grade.
Oh,
The target is so
big, so
hard,
So hard.
and so big.
Yes.
Big. Yeah.
Yeah.
And the sketsa is same maybe hard. and there is other sketsa what? Ini
Robtul.
Robtul Jadah.
Oh, Robtul Jadah.
Robtul Jadah. Itu that is so hard also.
So also.
So hard also. And then maybe that's all for problem.
Okay. Do you have best experience in your boarding life?
Live in maybe.
Live in.
Live in.
In where live in?
In Cianjur.
Cianjur. How many day?
3 days.
3 day.
Yes, yeah, 3 days.
3 day. Which best moment?
Best moment in ini. In
Curug.
in Curug, and
Curug.
then membantu apa?
Helping. Help.
And then helping warlock.
Warlock people.
Wah,
Locals. Yeah.
and then helping local
Yes.
in
Local.
what? Padi. Oh, or in
Yeah.
rice.
Rice field.
In rice field. And then
You have visit to pabrik teh?
visit.
Visit. Tea factory.
Factory.
Yeah.
Okay.
And other? And other? You have best experience in boarding life?
There is maybe live in only.
Live in only. Okay. Okay, Paul. Thank you for today.
Okay.
Okay, sir.
3 minutes.
3 minutes. Okay. Okay. Coba, tanya gue, Bang.
What your best experience in senior boarding school?
Oke. Baru.
Yes.
Okay. My best experience in senior high school is in Edures, Sam.
Edures.
Yes.
Okay.
When I sell stuff like aqua bottle, tissue, and other to people with more expensive price.
Yes.
Maybe 10,000 or up.
Yeah,
And
okay.
and I travel with my friend, go to Palembang with my money. And okay, maybe
Yeah.
that's it.
Okay.
Problem.
And do you have a problem in senior high school or maybe in junior high school?
Maybe I have problem in senior high school. I have when I get
What?
when I get punishment when English
English
when-
day.
Yeah, English day.
English day.
English sir. When I use what rompi sir? Rompi. Yeah, fast. And when motivational speech, I must stand up and this and I so lazy, but I must stand up. Okay, just it.
Okay. Itu gimana?
Okay. My motivation from boarding life or boarding school is we must mandiri apa sir? Independent from parents, and we must to learn from boarding life, like you have to search the best friend, the good friend, not just play with your toxic friend.
Toxic.
Yeah, toxic,
toxic.
friend. Okay, maybe that's my motivation for boarding life. Other Nopal? What motivation?
My motivation in boarding life is apa ya, kita ngomongnya ya
Or another, maybe
another.
My motivation is, I think, seeing other people so independent and learning so hard. It make me feel like want to be like them, and also it, and also Najib.
For my motivation is only one. Don't forget to pray salat in every time.
Every time.
Motivasi hidup.
My motivation in boarding life is when I look my parents, it maybe there is motivation in there, because kita kan kayak misalnya jauh-jauhan itu ngomong gimana? Kita kan kayak independent. We have LDR with parents. Maybe maybe okay, maybe that's all from me. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.